How to hard reset Galaxy S26 Ultra.
Step 1. To start, power down the Galaxy S26 Ultra by simultaneously pressing the power key and volume down. Step 2. Next, connect the smartphone to your computer using a USB-C cable, and then simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume up.
Step 3. Once recovery mode appears on the screen, navigate using the volume buttons to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the power button to confirm.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.